We're back. Look at look at the table. It's a glass table and glass po siya, oh. Very strong, heavy. It's very heavy po. See, it's not even moving. It's heavy. It's so relaxing po. Wow. It's so beautiful restaurant. May wifi na po. Libreng wifi. It's very big restaurant. It's go around pong ganyan, oh. Wherever you sit down, it's all kinds of fish, different colors. And then, pag wala po tayong ulam, pwede ko po yung kumuha ng isa. Lutuin natin ng paksiw o pinarito with kamatis. Ay, delicious. Oh my goodness. Oh, you guys amazing. Oh, ang sarap niyong ipaksiw. Para kang nasa dagat. My goodness po, oh. Talagang. Tapos parang uulan. Parang mapipil nyo po na para kayo nasa dagat. And then, so, ito naman para siyang strawberry. Head strawberry in different color. White. Hey, are you hungry? And white. This one is beautiful. And this one is beautiful too. Nagpupuntahan po sila sa akin. They think I'm giving them food. Sorry, guys. And this one is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Yeah. So, and this one is babies po, oh. They're babies. Wow, para siyang sa atin, sa pangalan po sa atin ito, maliliit na fish. Hito, siyang hito po. What are you eating there? Para siyang nanay and tatay. Sa kabila po, tingnan nyo, laki din, oh. So big po, very big. And then sa taas po, it's a glass door. Yan. Kita nyo, parang meron siyang taas din. Ang laki ng lilinisin dito.